The Visian ICL is a great option for our patients who may not be candidates for Lasik or other refractive procedures, as well as those living with moderate to severe myopia or nearsightedness. The Visian ICL is a permanent contact lens. To begin the procedure, as a preventative measure before the Visian ICL is inserted, a small hole is created to act as a drain and control eye pressure. Once done, through a micro-incision, the Visian ICL is inserted in the eye and positioned between your own iris and natural lens. The Visian ICL can be removed if your vision changes or for other medical reasons. Following the Visian ICL procedure, patients report improved vision without the stresses of glasses or contacts. Now, do you have any questions?